Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number link inside Google Sites. So when someone taps it on their phone, it opens their dialer automatically. It's super simple. And yeah, let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Google site where you want to add the number. If you're not signed in yet, just log in with your Google account and wait for the editor to load. Now choose where you want the phone link. You can use a text box or even a button. Either one works fine, Just click on the spot where the number should go. Go ahead and type the phone number exactly the way you want visitors to see it. You can style it later, but right now, just get the number in there. Next, highlight that number or the button text if you're using a button, and click the little link icon in the toolbar. This is the important part. In the link field, type the word tell, then a colon, and then the phone number with no spaces. For example, tell 0123456789. This is what makes phones recognize it as a dial link. Click apply, and yeah, that's basically it. To test it, preview your site using the preview button. On a phone, the number will open the dialer instantly when tapped. If you want the link to stand out, you can bold the text, change its color, or place it inside a styled button. Just make sure the tell link stays exactly the same. And that's all you need to add a phone number link inside Google Sites. Super quick, super clean. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple website tips. Thanks for watching.